Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a geometry question and we need to solve for x. They have given to us isosceles triangle. They show by using these signs, and also they gave us parallel lines. We are going to use those to find the value of x. The parallel lines give us the alternate angle. That means it forms a Z pattern. That is, if this angle is x, and this angle also is going to be x. So this angle here is x. Because this is isosceles triangle, the base angle, they are equal. So this angle also is going to be x. Now, we are going to use the triangle to get the value of x. We know that the sum of interior angle of any triangle is equal to 180 degree. So when you take x plus x plus 65, this gives us 180. That is 2x plus 65. That gives us 180. Take 65 to the right hand side. We got 2x is equal to 180. Take away 65. We got 2x. This is equal to 115. 2x is equal to 115. Divide by 2. We divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, we got 57.5. So the value of x is equal to 57.5 degree. I hope you understand this geometry question. For more questions on geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.